Hey guys, it's Eric here at Far Point Farms, except I'm not. I'm down at LKQ in Clayton, North Carolina, and I wanted to show this one off today. This is a Pontiac Sunfire right before the end of the Pontiac era. They came out with these. This one, I can see why it ended up in the junkyard. It's got some body damage along this side here. Ripped the tire off, trying to probably get out of a ditch somewhere. And it was already on its way out. You can see that whoever owned it taped the window up because the window regulator was down. So probably had a hard last owner. And that's not uncommon. You get cars like this, they're kind of budgetary and to begin with. After a while, they get to the owners that just don't take good care of them. But it's a nice looking car on the inside. No one's touched it. MP3 being proudly displayed. That's new tech back then. And I don't know, now it's got a digital odometer. I hate that, the digital, you can't tell how many miles these things had them when they died. But power windows, but check it out. So it's a power window. If you look over there, you can tell the car was designed for manual cranks, and they literally put a cap over it so it would get power. So this was probably an aftermarket power. Old school door handles there. Seats aren't in terrible condition. Don't look to me like they were all that comfortable to begin with. And that's got this really weird thing here for the seatbelt to go across. This one was an automatic, and it did have a sunroof, which was kind of unusual. Anyway, it's not in bad condition. You can see somebody put a sporty chrome tailpipe on it at some point. Brought in sometime in mid-March, puts it about 2 months here on the lot, and not a lot taken off of it. Again, these were kind of rare even when they were built. So this one will probably be headed to the crusher very shortly with most of its parts still intact. Till next time, my friend, take care.